This mega AI app earned an additional $4 million in 1 week because people want to use it, as it has great features that everyone can use. Whether you are a student, working, building a career, running a business, or anything else, this AI app may well show the future of AI use. Let's see it in action. For free. This is Tomas Chernowski from the tomas-ai channel. At our online marketing agency Chernowski, we have earned our clients over 50 plus millions of dollars in revenue over the past 11 years, and in recent years we have been using AI tools to improve the performance of our marketing campaigns. And my challenge to you is very simple, guys. For 100 days straight, watch these videos, take notes, and most importantly, test what I show you and go into action. If you stick around until the end of 2025, you will be able to use AI better than 99% of people and companies. You'll learn how to get the most out of AI for work, business, and everyday life. And that is my mission, guys. So let's dive into this tool, this very, very interesting tool, which is called Cliy. And from what I understand, you might heard about this tool because they ran ads on, I think they ran ads on YouTube. Since you are watching YouTube, you might seen this one. You might have seen this one, or they might have some articles online, or you might saw article around, for example, on TechCrunch around Cliy's ARR, annual recurring revenue, doubled in a week to $7 million. Founder Roy Lee Cliy doubles its ARR to 7 million in just 1 week, etc., etc. Cliy is gonna be the fastest company to $100 million ARR. Some LinkedIn post, etc., etc. So you might have seen some of those articles online, or on a Reddit or LinkedIn or wherever you basically watch posts and check socials. So Cliy is from San Francisco. Actually, the Changin Lee, the founder, is the CEO, has based or the location in his LinkedIn profile is New York City. So I don't know if it's actually in New York, but I saw in some video that they have offices in San Francisco because they met some guy there, and I seen this on YouTube. So that's from where I think they are actually based in San Francisco, and then they have offices there. So this app Cliy is something that you can actually see, because this is their website, and on the right hand side you can see that I already have Cliy turned on my device, and I will show you how it works actually. But from the thing that they present on their website, it's basically invisible AI that thinks for you. Cliy is an undetectable desktop app that gives you the answers you didn't study for in every meeting and conversation. So basically what it does is that you are in a call, for example, with you're maybe a new employee, or your new employer, or you are doing some exams to your school, or you have some sales calls with potential buyers of your thing or customers. And basically they are mentioning some stuff on the call, maybe some shortcuts, or some words that you don't understand, or maybe some names, cities, companies, etc. And the thing that Cliy does is that you have like overlay like this. You can see it here on my screen, and you can basically with one click make it invisible, just like that. So you don't see it, but it's still there for me, but you can't see it. Similar to what might happen on a call, because you don't want to screencast and basically show them that you have something like that running on the background, or running basically on over another layer over the call, where this AI, let's say assistant or agent, is helping you understand what the people on the other side, or the person on the other side is basically saying, what he means, or what he describes or what she describes, and her name, and her experience, or his experience, because it can fetch information from the website, so you can be better informed with whom you are actually calling. And it might give you also some let's say questions, or interesting questions that you can ask the other person, or follow-up questions, or maybe some interesting topics that you can basically guide the conversation towards, or also fact check statements or some recaps. And after you end up this call, it will create for you a follow-up email. After every meeting, Cliy generates a follow-up email and notes based on the conversation. Also, before the meeting, it can do people search. Cliy gives you background on attendees and your past conversations, etc. And basically, it's time to cheat, as they say. It's time to cheat. Interviews, sales calls, homework, meetings, and really everything. So since I don't have any calls here, and it doesn't run in Czech language, because my native language is Czech. I'm from Prague, from Czech Republic, from the center of Europe. So we will test it out on a YouTube video. And before that, guys, definitely don't forget to give this video a like, give this channel, tomas-ai channel, and English or US, subscribe and click the bell icon, since I will be literally posting every single day till the end of 2025. And I will be giving you AI advices, AI tips, AI tricks, AI tools, AI news that you can actually take and implement and use in your business, project, study, career, whatever, your personal life, etc., and be just a better person, better co-worker, better worker, better founder, better entrepreneur, faster, more efficient, etc., etc. So I think that these things, these knowledge and apps and recommendations, suggestions are really valuable to you. So if it's true, please give this video a like and subscribe and click the bell icon, because then YouTube will know that you actually like these types of videos. And we will be doing that on a Sam Altman interview. He was in a Theo 1 599th episode. It was actually 2 months ago with Sam Altman, and I will just show it how it works on this white background, since it will be better for you. You can see it better. So right now it's actually running, so it's giving me some define fluently, define follow-up email, etc., etc., because it actually can hear what I'm saying to the microphone. So I will stop it, I will done it, and on the right hand side it's generating the notes from the meeting, etc., etc., and here you have settings, etc., etc. You don't need that. So we have this this black, or black transparent overlay, and you basically can do a couple things. You can just start listening, which is the thing that you need to you need to do always when you want to clearly be working on the background. New version is available. Oh, great stuff, great stuff. So there was some auto update, so it's updating. Jesus, it was fast. Good, great, awesome. Oh, all right, let's do it. So you click on a listen, and once I click on a listen, I will turn on, or I will play the Sam Altman video, and you will see that it will start giving me some ideas of words, or names, etc., etc., name of the company, OpenAI, for example, that I can basically ask the Cliy to describe and better understand for me, and explain what it actually means and what it is, and etc., etc. And then you can go with ask questions, etc., etc. And once it's all right for you, the call is basically at the end, or you don't want to watch the video anymore on YouTube, you basically click pause and then stop, and it will create the notes. So let's do it. Listen first, and now the video.
Guest is well, dude's a straight up tech lord. Let's be honest. He's one of the leaders, the world leaders in the development of AI. He started OpenAI, which is known for having Chat GPT. We had a fascinating chat about the pros and cons, the fears and hopes, everything I could learn about artificial intelligence and where we're headed. TBD, baby. Today's guest is Mr. Sam Altman, and I'm very thankful for his time.
So you can see that this is Define OpenAI, because he spoke about OpenAI, that this Sam Altman is, somebody from OpenAI. So you can basically click on Define OpenAI, and here on the overlay, OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research company that develops advanced AI models like ChatGPT, focusing on creating safe and beneficial AI for society. You can tell me more. You can basically give them like this, and the call can be running on the background. You can be on the call, and this is overlay. Once you click here on the make it invisible, it will basically, if you will be screencasting, it will basically be invisible for the people on the other side on the call, but for you, you can still see it. But I will make it visible for you, so you know how it actually works. So OpenAI is an AI research product company focusing on building safe, broadly beneficial artificial general intelligence, founded in 2015 by Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, and other ones, even early involvement from Elon Musk, etc., etc., etc. So it will give you like that. You can also click on ask question. What's their what is their revenue? So you can basically do it during the call. And now, yes, there we go. OpenAI annual revenue reportedly surpassed 1.6 billion as of early 2024. So that's the thing that I wanted to tell you, that with this free tier that I'm using, you have obviously limited number of responses, and also you don't have the latest and unlimited AI latest model, and also unlimited AI responses as you would be if you would be using the $20 and for example enterprise custom tier or subscription plan. So in terms of that, I can't test it because I don't have it. I have only the free one, so you can test it too. But actually, from what I tested, and I tested it today 3 times or 4 times during recording the Czech video, etc., etc., and now the English one, and preparing for it. Actually, I mean, this is something that I can really imagine that this is future, because all these other apps, Copilot in Excel, PowerPoint, Word, the other Gemini stuff in Google software, Google services, and every company is basically implementing some sort of this type of agent slash assistant in their tools. But I think that having something or some tool that is actually your personal assistant, that's running on top of every single other app, and can have basically your history, your foundations, your characteristics, it basically knows you. It knows what types of answers you like, and how you operate, and what's your background, what do you do for a living, etc., etc., etc. All these things. It can be more. I think so. I think that it can be really more valuable than having it integrated in every single of that tool, of this particular tools, because then you will have like hundreds assistants or tens of assistants. Every single app will have one eventually in future. So I don't think that's the future, or it is the future, but I don't think that's the bright future. I think the good, positive, bright future is that you are having something that's running in your PC all the time, is seeing what's on the screen, is hearing what you say, is hearing what the apps or the calls, the other gals on the other hand, on the other side is saying, is basically hearing what the video is saying, is there on phone with you, etc. Has your own, basically, your whole history of everything, etc., understands you really well. And in that terms, it can clearly be like that in the future. It can be like your personal AI assistant slash agent slash, whatever body, whatever it is, whatever you call it. I think that's the real future. But hey, let me know in the comment how do you see it. But I think that this is actually the bright future of AI assistants, really helping you with every tasks you can imagine, understanding everything on the screen. Don't leave you with the copy from here to ChatGPT, then click enter, waiting for the response, etc. No, running here over like an overlay over the every single app, browser, videos, Excel sheets, emails, whatever you will be doing, watching, etc. It will be there in every single app. I think that's the future. So guys, let me know in the comments if you think the same, or if you think that I'm mistaken and you think something should be the other way around. So definitely let me know. Definitely don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon, since it will help your algorithm knows that you are actually interested in these types of videos and you would like to see more of these. So definitely do it. Definitely don't forget to click on this video, because it's really important and it's really cool. So definitely give it a chance, and we will see you, or I will see you with the next one, which is tomorrow. Cheers guys, bye.